In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Manus AI from start to finish. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank canvas to a polished site using clear, simple prompts. First, open Manus AI and sign in to your account. Give yourself a moment to get oriented in the dashboard and make sure you're on a stable connection so nothing times out while the site is being created. Once you're in, you're ready to begin. Next, start a new task specifically for website creation. Look for the option to create or start a new website project. This opens a fresh workspace where all your choices and changes will be tracked in one place. Now, enter a prompt describing the website you want to build. The more specific you are, the better the first draft will be. Mention your goal, your audience, and the vibe you're going for. Include any pages you need, like home, about, services, or contact, plus must-have features such as a contact form, a pricing section, or a gallery. If you have a brand style, note your colors, preferred fonts, and tone of voice. You can also describe the call to action you want visitors to take, such as booking a consultation or subscribing to updates. Let Manus generate the first version of the site. This usually takes a moment, and you'll see a structured layout form in real time. Don't worry if it's not perfect. This is your rough draft with real content, sections, and design elements you can refine. Review the layout, sections, and content it creates. Check that the navigation makes sense, the hero section states a clear value proposition, and the headlines guide readers through the page. Look at the imagery and spacing for visual balance, and scan the copy for clarity and brevity. Preview on different screen sizes to confirm it's readable and tappable on mobile. If something feels off, ask Manus to revise the design or copy. Be direct and concrete with your requests. You might say, make the color palette more muted, use a friendlier conversational tone, add a testimonials section under services, or shorten the hero headline to one sentence. Iterate until the structure, visuals, and messaging all align with your goals. Finally, save, publish, or export the website. Save to preserve your work, publish to make it live, or export if you need the files for another platform. Before you wrap up, do a quick pass for broken links, typos, and consistent headings so your site feels professional from the first click. And that's it. Your website created and refined with Manus AI.